So, may focus dun sa short eats. Parang hindi na tayo sa short eats. Ay, hindi ba tayo sa short eats? Bakit natin mo?
Tatlo yan eh.
Shore 1, Shore 2, Shore 3.
Hi, it's Danny, and I know it's been a while since the last vlog we posted up here on the Terra Mesa channel, so I decided to document the entire day today. We're going to take the internal team, the Terra Mesa operations team, to shore, and we're gonna go look at some units and see if we can secure the next few Terra Mesa units we're launching. And of course, you guys are coming with us. So I'm still getting ready. Buti na lang wala pa sila dito. Hindi naman siguro ako late. Pero, yeah. Everything is packed. We're ready to go. Mag-ayos na ako ng hair. Siguro kilay and blush. I think it's been 3 or 4 months since the last vlog we uploaded. Parang Terra Mesa 9 pa lang yata yun. So just to give you guys a little update, nasa 16 na kami. And we're looking at acquiring 17 and 18 this week, hopefully. Fingers crossed. So, yun yung pinagkakaabalahan namin over the last few months. Also why I have not uploaded vlogs in a while. Pero, ito na. We're gonna get back to it.
Bed ba?
Sink daw?
Cabinet?
Cabinet yun? Hindi ko alam ba't nila tinago doon. Yung basura na naman. Bawo talaga yun. Lalo na kung may food, ano siya.
Card mo card? Nasabihan na tong para sa luggage.
Na ano.
Nasa team ka lang.
Yan ang hinahanap ni, ni Melissa. Dito. Are we getting key? Ha? Wala yata akong dalawang susi. Nabaksak yung energy niya.
Ayun nang naka-check out sa tower. Doon kanina sila. Sino?
Sa to.
Click lang.
Puro tower.
Puro tower 2. Tower 2 muna tayo. Wala pa kaming unit. Kasi may guests pang naka-check-in. But we're here at Shore 2, Tower 3 lang. Yan, nakalimutan kong i-video yung lunch namin. Pero, ayun na kami. Ayun, busog na si Ellie. Mag-review na kami ng units. We're gonna go to Tower 2. Subukan ko kung mabivideohan ko on the way there. May bopis dun sa shore eats.
Lakad na. Alam ko hindi na tayo mag-short.
Ay, hindi na ba tayo mag-shore eats? Backstaff natin yun. We're at the pool area. Tambay muna kami sa pool area. Tatrabaho sila. Siya din.
One
Trabaho
night
din.
stay lang po.
Ako lang talaga yung hindi. Typical Teramay sa afternoon. Nagkakagulo sa inquiries. Tsaka check-ins. Yan silang tatlo. I have baby hair sticking out. Hindi siya kinaya ng wax.
Success. Amoy Boracay.
Tapos yung mga yung mga nag-aalok ng activities. Meron doon pang, ayun nagbebenta pala, parang pang undox lang daw.
Tama ka?
Sige, sabi mo, pag yung sumama hanggang mabalakat.
Yes, explore yan. Hindi yan, magpapagpag ako sa Renzo.
Hindi pwede. Magtutour na kami around shore. Kasi first time ni Joyce dito. Ayan. So, iikot kami ulit. Try namin mag-content ulit kasi yung last batch ng content namin dito nabura. Public transportation is super easy here. Ayan, may mga ride sharing. The green GSM cars tumadaan dito. There are tuk-tuks outside. And of course, Grab accessible. This is the only Starbucks branch dito. Nasa Shore 1 siya. And then there are EV chargers. And then this is the pay parking area. Cameraman slash director slash editor slash CEO slash... Siya talaga lahat yun. Okay then, so nagko-content kami ng ganito here in Shore because I got to walk around. But I really don't do a lot. Makikita nyo na lang yung content on the page. So if you're not following us on social media yet, on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, you should. Okay. So, kasi isang buong building yung nilalakad pagka gumagawa kami ng content. You also use it as a resource. Okay. Naikot na namin ang Shore 1. Pupunta na kami Shore Eats! Yay! Full circle-ish. We're back at Shore 3. Baka pumunta kaming Shore Eats. Not sure if just to introduce it to Joyce or if we're going to buy dinner there. So, but we're here at Shore 3 right now. Yun sila. Shore Eats. Not a lot of people yet. Kasi medyo maaga pa. So we have sisig silog, shawarma, we have curry gravy, special bagnet, Korean street food. And then we have bigger stalls. Wings. Hindi siya masyadong favorite. Wings. And then crepes. Coffee. Oh, ito yung mga ulam. I love the laing here. Lechon. And then barbecue. It's not barbecue na. Going home. Pagod na kami, tapos takot pa kami. Kasi doon kami nang nakakatakot kanina. So, walang matutulog sa biyahe. Ako lang.